I'm really excited about this next project. I'm going to be bringing down my dresser to do some chalk paint. I've seen this on Pinterest. A lot of customers come in and they want to know how to do it. So let's do it. Chalk paint. What is it? Chalk paint is a water-based paint with lime in it. It's how you get that nice matte finish. This is the color I'm going to use. One of the other things that they tote about chalk paint is you don't have to prime it because it is a thick paint. I'm going to prime my project anyway. I'm going to be using this primer by Zinsser, Bullseye 123 in gray. I don't want to do the white because if I'm going to be distressing, I really want that nice fade. And this is the same tone as my blue, so when I hit those corners, it's really going to give that nice pop. So besides using chalk paint, I'm going to pair it up with staining the drawers. It's going to look really sharp and have a high contrast feel. So after I stain my drawers, I want to do a protective coat of polyurethane. My project is small, so I'm only going to grab a can. This is going to make the color pop out a little bit better, and it's going to protect it so I can have long wear and tear on it. I'm picking up the sanding tool. It has an assortment of grits that I can use, and it can reach where my palm sander can't. Did you find everything you were looking for today? I found everything perfectly. Thank you so much. Oh, I see you got chalk paint. What are you planning on doing? Oh, I'm doing this old dresser. It's gonna be pretty cool. It'll be in coastal blue and I'm gonna stain the drawers. Oh, that sounds so cool. I always wanted to try that. Yeah, I always thought it was pretty cool. I saw it on Pinterest. I can't wait to see it. I hope you bring in pictures. Good luck on your project. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna need it. Man, she looks familiar. I swear I've seen her before. So here's my hand-me-down dresser. It's not the prettiest thing. It's got gouges, missing stains, scratches, missing knobs. The back is falling off completely. It's got a pretty maple leaf on it, and that's about it. I do want to keep the leaf. I want to keep it with its original stain, all scratches and everything. We have to make sure everything works properly in order to proceed. So, we'll figure it out on the fly. If you see me cleaning the dresser, it's with Jomax. Jomax is a pre-paint cleaner, and it's a TSP substitute. It has low VOC, so I don't have to have a vented area. I can do this inside. To protect the stain that I've just applied to my drawers, I'm going to be using Rustoleum's Ultimate Polyurethane. It has a fast dry time. It's supposed to dry to touch within an hour, and you can reapply every 2 hours, with a minimum of 3 coats. Look at that color. Pretty. So we finished up our dresser, and we're using it as a display at 415 Pro Hardware in Dallas. So I put a coat of primer on it, then I did 2 coats of the Coastal Blue chalk paint. The first coat showed a lot of brush strokes, and I wasn't into that look as much as I had hoped. It's good in certain applications, but I wanted a more solid piece. So we ended up doing the 2 coats. We sanded the edges, roughing it up and giving it that distressed look that everybody loves. After that, we stained our drawers with an English chestnut. We put 5 coats of polyurethane. We ended up replacing our original middle drawer with a shelf. We lined it, and we put 3 baskets on it instead. After that, we replaced our knobs. Remember those big bulky things? Well, we wanted to go with something a little bit more elegant. I like the look. I think it turned out really good, and I hope everyone does too.